Coming from Ohio now, Ohio State football coach Urban Meyer says he will retire after the Rose Bowl, a news conference to announce this officially scheduled for later this afternoon. Meyer won 3 national championships, but this season he did face a lot of criticism for how he handled a domestic violence accusation that was against his now fired assistant. He is 54 years old, and he has talked about having health concerns, including a cyst in his brain that he says does cause severe headaches. The university is expected to announce that the co-offensive coordinator Ryan Day will be named the new head coach at The Ohio State University.